Kumusta guys? Samahan niyo ako muli mag-react kay Ruel Carino, ang Matt Munro ng Valenzuela. Ang tinatawag rin nilang The Golden Boys. Ayan, napaka smooth naman kasi, napakasarap pakinggan ng kanyang boses. Talagang kaboses niya si Matt Munro. Ito yung rini-request nyo guys na gawa natin ng reaction, yung interview niya sa The Pillow Talk. Ayan, huwag na natin pagtagalin pa. Sama-sama tayong manood dito sa kanyang kwento.
All of a sudden, this world's yours and mine. All of a sudden, water tastes like wine.
Sarap-sarap pakinggan ng boses ni
I see girls and boys selling lanterns on the streets.
napakaswabe ng boses.
Sabi ko, it sounds a bit similar to my voice. Why not try to sing it? So I practiced and practiced and practiced.
Napansin ko rin yung kaboses niya si Jose Marichan. Parang sa akin, mas kaboses niya pa si Jose Marichan kaysa dun sa yung Jose Marichan ng The Clones, si Nash.
Beautiful
Tama ba?
girl,
Si Nash ba yan?
wherever you are. This coming October 30th, it's gonna be 4 years since my dad passed away.
Sayang hindi ka na niya nakita na mag-perform at manalo sa
He always saw some musical talent in me. Kaya
I'm sure naman proud na
He was
proud yung
alive. Iisa
daddy
lang
ni
masasabi
Rowell.
niya. Sabi ko sa'yo yeah, because he always saw something in me about music, because even when I was just a little baby, even if I didn't know the lyrics, kahit
Ito rin yung gusto ko kay Rowell yung malakas yung tiwala niya sa sarili niya. Alam niya na may talent siya. Kaya pag nagsalita siya, 'di ba? Yung talagang straight siya magsalita. Makikita mo yung talagang confident siya sa talent niya, sa skills na meron siya.
kahit ewan lang yung lumalabas sa bunganga ko, it was still in tune. Napapansin nila. Hindi namin maintindihan yung sinasabi ko, but yung tunog nung the unintelligible sounds coming out of my mouth, katunog pa rin nung lyrics. It all started when they told me.
Ibig sabihin ano siya, perfect pitch siya. Kumbaga hindi niya man alam yung kanta, hindi niya nababanggit yung lyrics. Pero yung tono, hindi siya nawawala sa tono. Grabe, talented talaga siya. Gifted, no? Bihira yun.
Yun nga, my voice had similarities kay Matt Monroe. Kantahin mo to sa video, okay? Aralin mo yung the first song that I learned kay Matt Monroe was If I Never Sing Another Song, but they told me na mas bagay dati. Ngayon, sabi nila halos lahat daw But dati, sabi nila, aralin mo, Walk Away.
Walk away, please go, before you throw your life.
Mas lalo ko na-appreciate yung boses ni Rowell pagka naka-earphone ako. Talagang naririnig ko talaga yung ganda ng boses niya. Maganda naman talaga yung boses niya kahit sa marinig mo sa cellphone. Pero mas ma-appreciate mo ng gusto talaga pagka naka-earphone ka. Maririnig mo yung smooth ng boses niya, walang kasabit-sabit, walang kagaspang-gaspang. Yung parang namamaos ba ganun, walang ganun sa boses niya. Napakalinis.
A life that I could share for just a day.
I didn't expect it, but surprisingly, yung taong bayan, the Dabarkads.
Tanong ko lang guys, sa mga singer talaga, ano bang technique yung gamit ni Rowell? Kasi napapansin ko pag kumakanta siya, parang ano lang siya parang relax lang. Parang yung bibig niya lang talaga yung nagbubuga ng sounds. Head voice ba tawag doon? Parang gano'n. Di ba may iba-ibang klaseng technique sa pagkanta. Ayan, i-comment nyo lang guys ha, sa mga, lalo sa mga professional na singer dyan. Ilagay nyo lang sa ating comment section.
They seem to like me.
Yan, mga highlights lang pala yung pinakita ko.
Hi Dreamers, this is Jerry Lee Salvador and welcome to the Pillow Talk where dreams get unplugged. Ang kasama po natin ngayon, isa na naman pong singer.
Ayan guys, baka hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa channel ng The Pillow Talk. Ayan, subscribe na kayo.
Siya po ang clone ni Matt Monroe. Let's all welcome Roel Carino. Hello!
Hi everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I hope you're gonna enjoy this interview that we're gonna do today.
Wow, parang kaboses na ni Matt Monroe kahit yung intro pa lang. Welcome, Roel, sa The Pillow Talk.
Si Roel pag nagsalita parang ano na no, parang matured na talaga. Parang ano ba tawag doon? Yung character niya parang Matt Monroe talaga. Parang matanda siya magsalita.
And for today, ang pag-usapan
Kahit
natin is
teenager
about
pa
your
lang siya.
life. So, congratulations nga pala dahil ikaw ang second runner-up sa The Clones. And ngayon, regular ka na sa Clones Open. So, how does that feel for you?
It makes me feel astounded because
Siya pala yung
I never
regular.
expected to be a regular on Itbulaga because I'm used to watching Itbulaga on TV, but I did not expect to be a part of it.
Yeah,
Kaya it just amazes me
congrats.
to see
Grabe,
myself
Ang layo
on
na ng
TV.
narating niya.
to be admired by people. Kaya it amazes me talaga. Honest
Yeah.
to God.
That's great. And sobrang deserve nyo lahat na
Blessed
naging
talaga
regular nga. Other clones din, di ba, are
Yeah.
part of it also. So, let's start with your childhood. I know bata ka pa, 15 pa lang. Pero ano ba yung dream mo nung around maybe 3 to 5 years old ka?
When I was 3 to 5 years old, I did not have a definite dream, but something about entertaining people, about entertainment in general, it always captivated me from my
Ang lalim niya magsalita, no? Magpaliwanag. Na-amaze ako sa ano niya. Sa talino niya. Maklase.
early days to my less early days kasi
Hindi lang siya talented,
it's still
matalino.
early, bata pa ako eh.
Yeah. And how did you know na parang gusto mo sa entertainment?
Because what's the use of your talent if you're not gonna share it with others?
True.
Kaya ano,
Tama.
sinasabi ko, make the most of it. Even if you're a singer, you should always make use of your other talents. Kaya, even if I sing on Itbulaga, me myself, mahilig ako magpatawa.
Yes. Pwede rin komedyante.
Oo nga, pansin nga namin. Pwede nga siya sa mga sa mga comedy bar. Kasi mahilig siya magpatawa. Pati si Jerome Bardome. Yan, kaya siguro magkasundo sila.
Yeah. So, every time I go or I make an appearance on Itbulaga, lagi kong iniisip, oh, there should always be a little bit of comedy considering the setting.
Yes.
Kasi Itbulaga is a show for the people. Kaya they should be entertained, whether it be singing or whether it be entertainment or comedy.
Yeah.
Sinabi ko, why not comedy and
Ang talino ni Ruel. Grabe. Ang lalim magpaliwanag. Sa edad niya, no? Na 15.
singing combined.
Kaya pala. So,
Di pa ba
talagang
siya
prepared ka
nag-birthday?
every time
16 na ba siya? Yan,
Ay,
i-comment nyo lang
hindi.
guys sa mga
Impromptu
nakakala.
lang yun din? Na, with your
Well,
jokes?
Yeah,
Ah.
all of my jokes are impromptu because it's live. When they say something, of course they have scripts. They very minimum meron, but me, I don't have anything to rehearse. I only rehearse kung sakali yung songs. But the lines or the
Bilis niyo mag-isip ng ng jokes. Biglaan lang pala yun, walang practice.
bits of comedy that I sneak into those bits of moments where I get to talk. All of those are just impromptu. None
Wow.
of them are planned out. When I hear something, when I see something, when I think something, and I think, well, I suppose this is gonna make people laugh. If they don't laugh, don't. But sasabihin ko, so far, okay naman.
Great. Yeah, I mean, obviously ngayon may potential ka din talaga with comedy. So that's good to know. Who knows, 'di ba? Pagdating ng a few years or a few months, malay mo stand-up comedian
Magaling rin magtanong si yung ating host, ano?
ka na rin along with your singing, dual talent pa yung mapakita mo. So that's great to hear na ganun nga. And so tingin mo ba you got that from your parents din? Kasi yung singing, 'di ba, you got it from your parents?
Yeah, I got my singing from my parents, but my dad always had a sense of humor.
Okay.
You know, mas matindi pa sa akin tatay ko eh. Even if it was corny, if he wanted to blurt it out, he would say it eh. Kaya nga tawag ng nanay ko sa kanya, Kengko eh. Because it's true.
Nice.
Ako naman,
Ang idol niya talaga yung daddy niya, no? Siguro maganda rin yung boses ng daddy niya.
it's always subjective comedy. Bale, sinasakto ko roon sa time frame. Doon sa nangyayari. So, that's why tinatawag nila akong patawa. Kengkoy, comedian. I don't consider myself that kasi if I'm anything, I'm more of an entertainer than a singer or a comedian.
All encompassing, ganyan.
Yeah.
That's nice. And growing up ba, did you hear your parents sing a lot? Kaya din ba na parang nagustuhan mo rin talaga yung singing?
Because it's not just my parents who are involved in the picture pagdating sa singing ko. I heard my mom, my dad, my titas, my titos, my lolos, all the way even to my great-grandmothers and my great-grandfathers.
Wow.
Almost all of them, I heard them sing. Ilan lang yung mga wala sa tono.
Wow, okay.
Sino kaya yun? Buti hindi nag-name drop, no? Pero siguro, may talent din sa pagkanta. Hindi lang siguro ganun kahusay kagaya ni Roel na talagang yung tono hindi nawawala sa tuwing siya'y kumakanta.
So singing and the
Yeah.
joke,
Magaling
love
yung
it.
tenga
So
niya.
it really runs in the blood.
Yeah.
So that's
Hindi lang
great.
yung
And
boses.
di ba nag-start nga din yung pag aral mo about Monroe dahil din sa grandfather mo?
Yeah, he had something to do with it because every Sunday,
Lolo niya.
of course, there's
Yung lolo niya siguro may favorite sa mga kanta ni Matt Munro.
there's gonna be radio stations that are like a throwback to their era. Lagi ko
Sunday.
napapakinggan sila Paul Anka, sila Matt Monroe, sila Engelbert Humperdinck, Tom Jones, sila Neil Sedaka, all of them, I heard all of them. Kaya,
Kilala niya halos, no? Yung magkaka-era.
if you gave me the chance, I wouldn't sing Matt Monroe
Oh.
because eto man yung genre ng music na kinakanta ko. Of course, all of us have our own musical preference. I listen to new pop, R&B, or soul.
Wow.
Yun, nakikinig din pala siya ng yung mga ibang genre ng music. Hindi lang dun sa yung mga kanta ni Matt Munro. Nag-explore din siya.
Very different from Matt Monroe
I even
genre.
listen to rock. One of my favorite rock bands is
Rock?
Kiss. Kiss and
Rockista.
semi-rock kasi yung Queen sakop niya lahat eh.
Whoa. And you sing it too?
Rarely,
Okay.
but I do. Kasi my voice
Sana marinig natin, no?
doesn't
Minsan na kumanta
go
siya
that
ng mga rock.
low, doesn't go that
Tignan natin.
high. Tama lang.
Pasok pa rin yung
Kaya siya
boses.
yung napili ko. It's just a coincidence na kaboses ko siya.
Ayan guys. Hindi natin binuo yung video guys yan. Para puntahan nyo na lang doon sa channel ng The Pillow Talk. Doon mapapanood nyo ng buo. Ito yung ano lang natin, binigyan natin ng reaction tong konting parte ng video ng The Pillow Talk. Ayan, napagbigyan ko na guys yung nag-request. Salamat sa mga nagko-comment, sa mga nagbibigay sa atin ng info about kay Ruel at sa iba pang The Clones. Ayan, nababasa ko yung mga comment nyo, puro positive. Ang gaganda ng mga sinasabi nyo doon guys. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa ating Muntin channel, alam nyo nang gagawin, mag-subscribe na kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod pa nating content. Hanggang dito na muna guys. Kita-kits ulit tayo sa mga susunod pang reaction video.